So let's see what we can do to receive messages from a different account and react to certain commands. Shall we? Huh. Hello, hello, hello. Hello. Okay. So. Hey Crow. So I saw the message you posted and it reminded me of something I wanted to do. But this time it's not gonna be a bad thing, it's gonna be a good thing. I wanted to build basically a chatbot, like the Slack bot in Slack, or I don't know what bot there is in Discord, but it could react to certain commands. So let's say you wanted to do like a random challenge, you could like type a command like random and it would just like generate a random problem or like stuff like that. Also some stupid commands, or like, you know, the IRC games where you can like type some chat commands and play a game. Well, anything I want to do basically, but I just want to see if it's like simple to do that. So that's what I'm gonna try. Yeah, like Twitch has those, right? I verified my... I'm just wondering, how hard can it be? Like, you just connect to a WebSocket, right? So I created my bot account here. Okay, so let's head over to... Okay, I have my account, bugbot. And Discord here, if you want to come chat in Discord, you can. So, bugbot. Random chat commands for binary search. It's called Pugbot. So first thing is Python WebSocket. Do I do it in Python? I guess I do. So there's WebSocket. Is that WebSockets? Okay, so we have to install that. sense. Okay, so so I think will I need that? Maybe. I don't want a server, I want a client. Reads the name from the client. Browser-based example. Okay, so I don't know if the other one supports it. This seems to be fine. Website, create connection. Maybe it would be simpler in Node.js, like in Node.js WebSocket. Because basically the bot's gonna do nothing at all. It's just gonna like connect to WebSocket and read the text that's coming in, so I don't need like any specific language. Okay, so I think this is the most popular lib. So let's scrap that. So main index.js, I guess. First things first. Install WS. Now in our package we should have WS. Then we can do index that we can do a source index.js. Const WS equals to require WS. Now we just copy the doc basically, and so the client. Always disable the extension on the client. What does that mean? Maybe we should. It's like compression. Okay. Let's copy this and see what that gives us. So it's gonna be our path. When open, but is listening. Now I just need to find the path of the WebSocket server, which should be right here. Interesting. So there's like a bunch of SID. I guess there's some kind of authentication, right? Switching protocols. What's all this stuff? Huh. Okay, maybe it's gonna be WebSocket key. Maybe it's gonna be a little bit more complicated because of the security. That's annoying. Let's try. To connect and see what happens. No. We're not in. Okay, so 400 forbidden. That's what we expected, right? What if we copy this? And I'm curious what happens if we send a message. So So let's open this up. Let's refresh to see the connections. So I don't know what all this garbage is about. Like it opens this, then like it tries to open. Oh, I know. It's probably a WebSocket socket for each channel. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So each channel has its own WebSocket, and it's not always the same endpoint, or maybe it is. Let's try refreshing, but I think it's not. So it's not clear like what's encoded in there. So if we refresh again, maybe I should like note them down. Five, 3 probe, 2 probe. Huh. That's interesting. Okay, so let's like copy this one. Like, and see if it shows up again. What's that emoji you posted, Crow? I only see like a black dot. What? That's funny. Like, thank you for giving me a reason not to stream. Is my stream that bad? Maybe it is. It's fine. Okay, so it's not in the list. So this SID is generated somehow. It looks like there's always those. No, there's not always those dashes. It's really weird. But I think it's like, no, I don't know what I think actually. I'm gonna need to like try stuff until something works, but there has to be like some way of identifying you. So if we look, let's look here. So the server needs to know who's typing the message, right? So usually there's the token that is sent with every request, but it's probably stored either in the cookies or in the just in step Yeah, okay, so in the local storage, we have our creds here. So if you copy this, you should be able to log in. So that's our JSON token. ID, I wonder if it's always the same. User, okay, so it's it's not, yeah, okay, it's the same. I don't know why he puts user twice, because it's in the payload already. So let's see if the token preferred channel slug. Okay, so here there's a bunch of weird IDs, right? Which I think preferred channel slug SMP 9 something something. So if we look in the connections, it should be there. So we have SMP, but it's not there. Two, 3, 2, 3, 2, 3, 2, 5. So that's probably like commands. Oh man, okay, so maybe I can find the part where the WebSocket connection is open inside the source itself instead of like guessing. So it's server-side rendered, so media, blah blah blah. It's just fonts, chunks. Okay. I think there's a way to search this though. So okay, from any panel. Okay, okay, this is cool. So it's probably gonna be in the bundle. Since it's like one big line, it's gonna be unreadable. WebSocket.jas. So they're using a WebSocket, so we can look at the API. They're just a constructor. Require WebSocket. So that's the source code of the library itself, I think, because it's too like low level. And that's not what I care about. I probably care about like this here. Oh, that looks awful. It's so obfuscated, but it has what we want here. Stateful container. Can I see like the oh man, it's so annoying. That's all obfuscated. Bookmarks, bulk. That's interesting. I think it... Yo, what's up, Jonathan? Well, you could put chat comments and do stuff with it, you know? Like you could type like exclamation point random and get a random question, or I don't know, I just want something that you can mess around with, because I'm so bored. But right now, just connecting to the... yeah, exactly. Like mass like upvote or stuff like that. Mass put emojis on a post or whatever. Anything. But I'm getting stuck on just connecting to the WebSocket connection, because like if I show you, like the endpoint looks something like that, and there's like a weird ID that represents the channel itself, but I have no idea how it's generated, and each time I refresh the page, it's a different one. But it represents a channel, right? Like, let's leave this. So I created my chatbot account. Yeah, but like the server needs, like you have to encode that information inside the hash itself somehow to know, like, okay, if you put the time in, you need to know when the client started, and since it's like independent after that, like the server needs to be able to decrypt it, I guess. So oh no, this is gonna be like a crypto challenge more than anything else. But I don't know if it's that complicated, right? Like for the other bot, they didn't do like anything. Like I know like they probably did it, so you need to encode like your user inside of that, and it needs to be secure. But I have like my token here, and I don't see like any relationship between the token and the... Like the token doesn't change, but the channel do. So let's just look at it. So you have this, right? You have one for each channel. And I could like message buggers and say hello, and it creates a new connection. And then huh. And are there any calls to the API that are done? let's. I think it's pure WebSocket. Makes sense. Anyways, that's not what I wanted to check. I want to know where that identifier comes. SID. What's a SID, man? First things first. Okay. Server identifier, I guess. System identifier, something identifier. I don't think I'm gonna guess it like that. Like, it looks like base 64 something, right? I think, but there's never the trailing like equal signs. Should know, but if we take this part, it's just random garbage, right? We could look at the bits itself, so to binary. Maybe two. That's not gonna help us, right? So what am I? Okay, I'm looking at the connection between me and Poggers. So okay, so now it's this ID, right? So it went from this to this. Wait. Crap, how do we do it separately? Let's take this here. First. And then let's look at the SID. But since it's characters, it's probably not a good idea to do it. Wait, I do from base 64, so it's not even a good guess, because there would be like equals in there at some point, right? If it was just raw base 64. I don't think the dash is valid base 64. The underscore. It's plus and slash, but you don't have a dash or equal, so it's not really like, what is it then? Is it like custom? Oh, that's messed up. But it's not generated by the... Okay, since it's not generated by the front end, maybe I can just get them and like use them after that, because you have the... It's like doing a request to the API to get them, right? Either in bookmarks or whatever, so maybe I can just query them and use them like blindly. That's the fun part of like lean front ends, is just do a request. It's easy to like replace the front end, but there's so much crap in here. But I think only there's so much crap, but I think it's API bookmarks bulk. It's not. It is here. So what's the difference? Okay, it's like a post. Why is it posting stuff? What is it posting? Bookmarks. It's just... Okay, I'll worry about that later. I just want to query this, right? So if I can get the IDs from there, then I can just connect to the WebSocket and it should be good. So no crypto for me today, at least not yet. Just close the okay. I still have the endpoints for that. So it's bulk. I don't know, like it's probably gonna fail because there's no token, right? That's not a problem. We have our token here. Please don't log in. I don't care, like if you log in with the bot account, there's nothing on there. So it's this thing. Yeah, okay. Now it should work. Maybe. Okay, yeah. We get what we need. So ideally what I would want is to log in automatically. So I don't have to like copy paste the token each time. But that's gonna be for later, right? Right now I'm gonna do it by hand. So we don't need this, I believe. It's just leave this for now. We don't know how to connect with that. So Axios. And like Axios that will so it's this. So we should like get bulk endpoint and be done with it. Response. Where's the data? Probably. I just need to create my Axios correctly. Such as no, okay, it's fine. So that yeah, blah 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 blah. Okay. Oh, come on. It's gonna... bother me for that? Apparently. Okay, so we're gonna catch... where's the content? Erasure data? Valid token. Oh, I didn't use it in the request, of course. So... ugh, what happened? So da 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 da. Like this. No. Got them then. Okay. here then. And token. Voila, voila, voila. So now we can just do instance, or let's not call this instance, or API is cleaner. And we can remove this here. Da, 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 da. Okay, so we have our data. Now we can try taking one randomly. Like it's a bit annoying, right? Because we don't know which one is which. But we can probably find that info somehow, right? It's not random stuff. The front end has the information somewhere, but where? Like, how does this know that it's general? So we can probably search the response somehow. I'm not going through everything by hand. Bulk channel slide. Do I ignore it for now? Because groups, friends. So it's, I can see it here, right? So I'm not, it's gonna be simple right there. So profile, puggers, pug. Oh, there you go. There you go. So groups seems to be it. Why is there an ID in there? I know where they're using two separate APIs because we can get the slug here. What's a slug? I know what's gonna happen. Slug is used to make a name. Yeah, so it's a combination of like probably the user and like the channel itself, but I wonder if there's like a how to make a slug Node.js. Slugify. Anyways, looks complicated. I'm not gonna go that route. I don't think there's much value if I can just query it from the API directly. So now I need my user ID. I have it in the local storage and I don't think it changes, so I could hard code it and be lazy. It's right here. So 262 here. But now the endpoint is dynamic. I probably shouldn't do snake case because it's not Python, but anyways, I don't care. Okay, so we have... we have the... Is that a slug for something else? You have the user ID there. Here you have the channels. I guess it's for direct messages you have like one user ID and one other, so let's say like a unique identifier for the group. It's fun to know I'm the 322nd user. So yeah, I could just like put a specific slug and write to it, right? It can get a bit complicated. I could just spam random as well. Anyways, so I have the slug here. Now I can try to connect using WebSocket. Okay. Well, I saw it on Hacker News in the beginning, so I guess it's beta testing, but I was there. I got the badge. Yeah. So when we copy this, and for the SID we replace it. My friend will come with me. Huh. I don't know, there was a closed beta, but it's crazy. Incredible. Incredible. So how do they call it? It's like channel slug. I could start writing a little bit cleaner code at some point. This is gonna get messy real fast because there's a certain level of complexity to this. Like, so I want to start doing some async stuff. Probably like not def. Async function get. Noise. Hey Joanne. join. So get channels. No, I'm just gonna like print it. Channel slug is not defined. That's fine. Oh, DMs. Okay, it's a different substructure. So you have groups here. Just want to see the structure. So groups is an array. Slug, channel slug. Okay. I should probably like split it like this. Now I can look at the structure at the same time and parse it. So probably just return it, right? I'm not gonna like generate the socket inside of a promise. So rest the data that groups that map. Do I want map? No, I think I want to return an object where the channels are the key and the slug is the value. So I'm just gonna like do for each like this. So channel but now I have like group to channel. I don't like the fact that they call it group because group isn't like super clear. So I'm gonna like use my own terminology. Replace groups by channel here. Slug so is a unique identifier used to connect socket of a room, and that's basically it. Done. Okay. So channel blah 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 slug of group dot slug equals group dot channel slug, and then return channel slug, and we're gonna like return this. You can just not print console log and pim start, and everything breaks because I'm trying to do this here. Yeah, so here we have our mappings, which is cool. So for every channel we have the slug, and then we can like how do we do this? Now we can use this here. So now we can try opening up a connection, and if it works, it should. I'm still gonna print stuff. Not print. Console like okay. So let's run that. Let's rename stuff. For 100. Nice public shaming, I love it. So we're still getting an error, and right now we're not. Error event on WebSocket instance. Unexpected server response for 100. Am I missing a piece of the puzzle? So we can see the, if we look here, we can see the response to the group's request, and we can see if they match the WebSocket connections. If they don't, there's something we forgot to do. And we need to figure out what. So we can just, I can close all this shit too. Maybe I forgot some headers. That would make sense. It's like, maybe I should close what I just closed. Anyways, I'm gonna figure it out like right now. So if we look here, applications, frames, groups, you can see our group here. So 2S blah 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 blah. And if we look here, it's not the slug itself, right? I'm missing something. Wait. Probably need to do something with that, like register. So there's no. Okay. Infinite capacity. This public is false. Oh, it's probably like a feature they didn't implement yet. No secret badges. Random CSS. Okay, so what am I missing then? How do you guess? How do you get from that small slug to this? Not quite the same thing, is it? Hope there's not like some logic I need to figure out. Oh my god, it's so annoying. Let's keep looking at the requests that are being done. I see slug. Ah. There has to be like some kind of algo that is run on it. There has to be, or maybe it's just set cookie IO equals. Socket IO. Okay, so they're using socket. Wait. I should probably use Socket.io because I think they have like custom protocols and stuff. So that would be the first thing. So, what do I want to do for this? There's probably some path. So path, method, post, chat, PS. T. Request payload. I didn't see that. Where does the T come from? NK1. Oh man, if only I can figure out where this comes from and why there's it. So I missed this, right? There's a T that's hidden in there. And I think that's auto-generated by Socket.io. Like transport polling and everything. It has to be auto-generated. I could like serve reversal. Interesting. I could test if I can connect to the heartbeat. That would be quite boring, actually. Maybe I should anyway. This doesn't seem to be socket.io. It looks like a different thing, because I just want to know if this is like all handled by socket.io or what. So I should like start my own socket.io server and like, see the URL. But then I would need to like debug it from a browser. Holy, that sounds like a lot of work. Maybe there's like an interactive socket.io interactive demo or something where I can see whiteboard. I just want to see like what the sockets looks like. So it's the same structure, but I don't see a T. I don't see a T in there. I don't know if that means it's been added separately. So transport to WebSocket. So the SID must be like unique to each connection, and it's handled by socket.io. So that means I don't need to worry about it, and that's a good thing. And okay, so sec WebSocket key is here. So basically we want to see the difference between this and this. I see it. Wait, where's the T? There's no T. Wait. Where's all the stuff I was seeing earlier? Like the payload and everything. It's gone? Wait, transport is WebSocket now? What am I looking at? Is this the... There was more stuff. Is you source? Don't care about this. I actually maybe I do. Can I have it online? It's all on one line. It's probably like library code. Okay, I'm not gonna go down that road again. I don't think there's anything complicated happening. I just want to know where the queries, the payload was. There was a payload. It disappeared. Wait. So there's the WebSocket here, and there's the HTTP request here, and there's where you find the T. And here's the wait. Well, this looks legit. There's 2 requests that are made. T. Don't know where the T is coming from. Channel join. Here's our channel slug. Okay, I think we got something here. So we need to send that to the HTTP address. And that's our slug, I think. If you look in the groups, we should find. Yeah, it was 1TX. Come on. Yeah, 1TX. I think this is progress. Yo, it was. It's progress, man. Okay, let's take a little break. So now that Wiz is here, we have to look. Are you okay? We have to look at an important video.
Oh my god, it's the Poggers, man! The Poggers, man! Yeah, the Poggers, man! Poggers! Hey, Poggers, man! Yo, what's up? Poggers!
What's on my recommended? What did you see? I'm in incognito. What did you see?
My
God, it's spot. Okay, I'm done. Back to serious. Okay. Keep it that way. So Poggers hit me up. What's this pug bot about? So I'm trying to connect a bot to the chat so we can like write commands like you would with any like Slack bot or anything, but it would be a binary search bot or a pug bot. Yeah. But like just connecting to the WebSocket is so complicated. Socket.io query. So I probably need to ignore Where's the WebSocket stuff? I want to see where it's emitted. Thank you, Wizzy. Thank you. Socket. Yeah, but how does it connect? It just like uses the current address or what? So I don't even know how. Let me check. Matthew. Whoa. Let's see. How to give mud Twitch. /mud. There we go. There, have fun. Try not to ban too many people. Okay, so it just connects to the base URL, I guess. So when I connect here, sorry about that. New manager. I think I can just like put the website and it's gonna work, maybe. Like if you, okay, connect that chat.binarysearch.io. So I think if I just put this here, I should be fine. So I don't need to. Okay, let's just like try to create the socket to see what happens. So it's not crashing, interestingly enough. How do I use it? Canary property random of undefined. Interesting. But it's sync, right? Is that server or... Wait. Should probably use Socket.io client. Maybe? Because maybe I'm trying to run a server right now. Yeah, it's already that. I'm trying to. Yeah, I think I'll replace. But it's working? Question mark? Maybe. Yeah, I want to see the request though. I'm kind of blind right now. So where's the example here? Use source code. So now we want to send a message, right? I think it's emit. It's like emit, and we want to emit events, but right now we don't have anything. Create a connection, but don't have like any data associated with it. Here we have like request payload. It's like joining all those rooms. There's like this. Maybe that's the event. Just a while, yes. I could try looking at, where did it go? This one? Looking at the format of the connection, basically. So here, when the connection is created, there should be something similar, but there's so much crap. It looks like this. There's no payload associated with it. What's the 3142? 3142. Let's try like so that's what happens when we create a new connection, right? You requested a user connected to chat. Here there's no payload. Another request to groups. Some more stuff. More stuff. Some more stuff. And here it is. 1TX is the old one, right? Now we're joining all the channels? It's confusing. But I could try emitting this event. And have like so it looks, there's the IDs in there too. Okay, okay. So emit this and this. It doesn't crash. Maybe it should, maybe it shouldn't. I'm curious, what's the message we get? Message. There's a token. There's the slug. I think it's probably the nothing. There's just nothing happening. There's no errors. The emit thing is probably wrong. I mean, I'm joining the channel random, right? Oh, it does work. It works. How does it work? So I get the message, get the raw HTML, bunch of metadata, you have reactions. Let's try that again. I don't think I need the console log at the top anymore. Undefined, undefined, defined. So you can extract all the so now we can start like putting some comments, like hard coding some comments. So we could say if let's do like just a simple echo. Okay. Now, since my JavaScript is a little bit rusty, I will need to Google everything. That's fine. Split, I think. I could do like a regex. Or not. Yeah, one thing I probably need to check is that the author is not Pugbot. It's JavaScript. So it didn't echo. Maybe my emit is wrong. I'm probably gonna like delete all this stuff. Not to be annoying. I probably like could have figured out how to do it in the like I can see your message, but it doesn't do anything. I could probably just print like echoing. And not print, cancel that line. So okay, so it parses it, but the emit's not working. Let's go back here. So it's two different connections used for one for sending and the other one for receiving. So I have to send the token, the channel, and the message. Nice. It works. I did it so it wouldn't go in a infinite loop. But that would have been fun. So I have to do one important. Oh, I shouldn't. Why did I do that? Okay, it's fine. It's fine. It's fine. It's fine. It's fine. Yeah. So one thing I wanted to do. Open efficiently. Oh, nice. Though if they use image magic for resizing well, cropping the image, maybe they have some vulns to worry about. Nah, man. You have to deserve it. You can just become friends with chatbot. I'd feel so weird seeing the image reversed like that. Oh, that's funny. Okay, so let's this. Right now I only made it for a random channel, So like, even though it's spam, at least it's just spamming random. So it's like borderline tolerable. Even though it's kind of like ugly, look what I did to the chat. I feel a little bit bad about that, but sometimes you have. So. Though it's white hat. I wouldn't call this hacking, but even though it's a bit bad about the spam, but at least it's contained to random. White hack is reporting issues and hacker is exploiting the system, and I didn't report this issue. It's not really an issue. So the next thing to do would be not hard code the token in the file itself, the user ID too. So I could like log in automatically. So that would be a thing to do. I'm probably gonna never gonna do it. Do it another time because it's late, so I want to sleep. But I hope you guys enjoy that. Lawrence and Jay are gonna have a nice surprise when they look at chat and see all the spam. Yeah, it's late. It's like 11:30. All good things must come to an end. Sadly. Yeah, Lawrence knows. He's always online, and I don't know how he does. We can. What's up? Oh, nice. That's funny. Nice try. No idea was maybe nothing at all. It was just a proof of concept. I could like do anything. What do I want to do? I mean, if there's a need for it. Echo. Automatically reacting, like adding emojis. Probably wouldn't be that hard. I just need to figure out the API and like how to emote specific messages and how to make like from a user experience, like how Yeah, I can put it on GitHub. But before doing, before open sourcing, I would actually just do the logging thing first, because right now it's just the hard-coded token. But yeah, that would be useful. I just need to like host it, and that would cost money, right? Or maybe there's a like usually you have Heroku that like starts up when you have a request, but I wonder if there's a way to do it like a bot, right? Because it needs to be continually running with the WebSocket connection. Yeah, I'm gonna think about that later. Right now I need to sleep to be ready for my Microsoft interview tomorrow. That's a thing. I think the hardest part of the Microsoft interview is logging into Microsoft Teams. I've been trying to do that, and it just like goes in an infinite loop and like asks me to create an account even though I already have one. So yeah, that's gonna be fun. Hopefully I won't miss out the interview because of that. And yeah, alright. Time to end the stream. So peace out, Boy Scout. See y'all later. Bye bye.